stole it. Running on the daddy bitch too fast, I can't control it.
That bitch so nasty, boy. Look at that purple on it. That bitch glistening, boy. We back with another video. Right now, we on the way to the tent shop. Had some tents on it right now, cause we riding in the fishbowl. So we on the way to the tent shop. Say we 20 minutes away from the tent shop, so we not too far. But I can't be right around the fishbowl, so be back with another video. We finna go get some tents. Let me put it in 707 right here. Right now we in eco mode, but we finna put it in 717. Y'all hear that whine? Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Bro, I miss this feeling, bro. Y'all don't understand, bro. I've been a year without the fucking car, bro. I'm back though, yo. I'm back. So we gonna tap back in with y'all once we get to the tent shop, y'all. So this the last look before it get tinted, y'all. It's a fishbowl right now, but I'm about to throw them tents on it. I'm trying to see what percent I'm gonna go, cause I ain't trying to go 5% all around again. But it's a fishbowl, even the back windshield gotta get tinted. So it's the last look. This motherfucker's so hard, bro. Sheesh. Should I make the hood black? I'm thinking about making the hood black and removing these badges on the side and throwing a black decal on it. And I'm gonna get my back tail lights tinted. And I'm gonna get the front. I'm gonna remove the Dodge letters. I'm gonna remove the Charger letters. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna have this blacked out back here, and I'm gonna get this blacked out right here. So this is gonna be the only thing on the back right here. This, and this all gonna be tinted out. It's gonna be hard when it's done. I'll probably get that done like next week. But it's a fishbowl right now, so this is the last look. That sun on that purple different though, bro. Sheesh.
How dark you want to go?
I had 5% on my last one. I'm not trying to go that dark.
That's 5 right there.
That's 5.
That's 5 and the whole windshield.
Alright, what you recording, bro? The windshield 5 too?
Huh?
The windshield 5 too?
Well, I have 35, and then because I have white seats, so people will still see in the semi parts. I do a sun strip to make it a little darker.
So that's 35 on the windshield?
It's 35 on the windshield. That's what I would do.
35?
35.
Dang.
That's mind your own business. Unless you want 15 on the sides and 35 on the windshield.
I'll probably do 15. Alright, here. Then they got the purple walls. So the purple walls that go with the car. This shit hard, bro.
Yeah, the theme was purple when I first got in here.
Yeah.
Purple. You even had a purple machine. Cut out the patterns. top that has AC.
AC? Yeah, this is hard. Went 35 on the front, y'all. Then I'm going 15 on the sides. I ain't going 5 this time. I'm going 15. 5 is too dark. With the Jailbreak logo. That shit is too hard. One more window to go, got the front windshield go next, then the back windshield. Here it did the sides right here. 15% on the sides.
Told me that you tryna fuck on me like try that real life. She told me that she tryna fuck on me like And a Hellcat on with trap, he drive that bitch like power. Ex-hoe ain't talk my shit, I give my bitch a dog walk. Niggas hate to see my team on God, we all ball. Niggas spend shit like a ceiling fan, that's when it come to me. Not chasing problems, I chase money, I just let it come to me. This a two-seater, ride around with Dracos underneath the seat. Make sure you get a nigga gon' up out the car and walk on feet. Yeah, know these niggas plan, I don't trust them, still gon' play it close. Niggas out here trippin', they be tender, dying by the hoe. They know it's over me, it come to beef, no, I don't got a post. He dissed me in a song, I sent a hoe, and I still got the low. She must think she bougie, little hoe walking around with attitude. I told you what it was, do what you want, bitch, I'm not mad at you. Told that bitch on top till pushing P like Player Avenue. Introduced her to some new, that little bitch better show some gratitude. She told me that she tryna fuck on me like and a Hellcat on with trap, he drive that bitch like power. This hoe ain't talking my shit, I get.
Oh my god. That is nasty. Sheesh.
Now roll your windows down to Wednesday, 5 days.
Alright.
You can take it to a car wash or wash the outside, just don't wipe the inside.
Alright.
Because you got ceramic on the windshield, you may notice small circular spots that look like bubbles. Don't touch it, don't try to wipe it, leave it alone, they'll just disappear.
Alright.
Can you come over here? It look different, don't it?
Yeah. It look way better. That bitch is hard, boy. Appreciate you. We got the boy professional with it, man. He got to do not roll down on the side. Don't roll that motherfucker down, y'all. You quit.
Oops.
Ooh, he got the tents. This bitch dark as hell.
Lately been popping my shit, how I feel like the biggest. These niggas gotta be kidding. I put a switch on the back of the blitz. If I let this bitch go, he gon' die in an inch. If I let this bitch go, he gon' die in a second. I caught that boy lagging, he died with it whipping. I bought that cabin, you not really stepping. If I catch a op, I'ma send on the head.